See, later the incident, the very fateful and most unfortunate incident of stampede that happened at Chinnaswamy Stadium. You all know that the government, in fact, brought in inquiries. There was a magisterial inquiry that was going on. The government also appointed His Lordship Justice Michael Kunna as single commission, and that inquiry has been in progress, and the Honorable Karnataka High Court also has taken suo motu cognizance of the matter and has issued certain directions. In the teeth of all these things, there was a FIR registered yesterday in crime number 123 of 2025 before Kaban Park Police Station, wherein the police inspector of Kaban Park Police Station alleged that this stampede, everything happened because of the negligence of the organizers, RCB, DNA and the KSCA. Therefore, in spite of severe and dense, intense efforts of police, there were deaths. Therefore, the responsibility has to be mulcted against them. This is what is the complaint. So, we and the Honorable Chief Minister and the government also, in fact, came out with certain media statements to the effect that the government was insisting for immediate arrests. So, we brought this before the Honorable High Court to say that there can't be any criminal liability applied against KSCA, because KSCA is never the in charge of the gate. Gate is always the in charge of the RCB. KSCA controls cricket in Karnataka and it controls the venue. It rents out the venue. That is Chinnaswamy Stadium. Except that whenever there is a request from the organizers or a team for certain arrangements like security, infrastructure, etc., it is at their request, on their behalf, the KSCA as an apex body would write to the police officers. It's never the KSCA that would take a direct role in the organization of these kind of matches or celebrations. Yes. So, in fact, our argument was that, in spite of the fact that the KSCA has already responded and has done everything possible to tender some justice to the unfortunate lives that were lost, and KSCA has been cooperating with the fullest in the investigation. In spite of all these things, if there is an arrest and there is some coercive procedures, it would certainly cause a serious ignominy to the most respected, dignified members of the KSCA and office bearers. Therefore, we sought for indulgence of the Honorable Court. The Honorable Court, after hearing us and the State, Shashikiran State Advocate General and the State Prosecutor, Mr. Belliyappa, was pleased to say that let the investigation go on, and we cooperate with the investigation in all the dimensions, but there should not be any coercive steps causing arrest, etc., in respect of any of those 3 FIRs arising out of this incident, unfortunate incident of stampede. Yes, in fact, of course, the negligence against the police is attributed by none other than the state government in the suspension order. So, otherwise, there would not have been an incident of the state government taking such an extreme call of suspending one of the top ranked, one of the most coveted officers of the state, Mr. Dayanand. He has always shown his, results in his action, and he's been known for his uprightness. And when the state government could take such an extreme call, attributing negligence to the police, then of course we ought to say that we should have said it before the court, that when the state government accuses the police for negligence, how can that accusation be percolated or elevated to KSCA, where we are only the venue owners? That's it.
So the KSCA got a bigger relief, you say, at this kind of time?
In fact, yes, it is a very timely respite. Otherwise, there would have been some very sad and disastrous consequences, and there could have been a great discouragement for this kind of institutions who have been working day and night for the promotion of great sport which India at large loves.